Number 11, this is converting vertex form to standard form. This one, there's no fancy formulas or anything. All you have to do is just work out the problem. So you want to expand your squared term right here. So f of x equals -3, but x minus 2 with the parentheses and squared, that's actually just writing the x minus 2 in parentheses twice, right? Like this. X minus 2 times x minus 2. And then what do I need to put at the end here? Plus 5. Yeah, don't forget the plus 5. Okay, now the first thing you need to do after this step is to FOIL, which means in parentheses, all right, you're going to go every term in the first set of parentheses is going to multiply by every term in the second set. So I'm going to draw lines showing you what I'm multiplying. This x needs to multiply to that x. But then it also needs to multiply to the 2 in the back. This -2 now needs to multiply to the x, and it also needs to multiply to the -2 in the back. Yeah, it makes a moon. That's what I tell my kids. It makes a moon or a croissant. So there you go. All right, so now let's multiply it. We got x times x. What's that? X squared. Then we have x times -2. What is that? -2x. So then we just finished with the x term, right? Now let's go to the -2. Now we have -2 times x. What is that? -2x, right? So that comes twice. And then we have -2 times -2. What is that going to be? +4, so plus 4. Plus 5. Okay? So what is your next step after this? The what? Right, the combine the like terms inside the parentheses. You want to combine the like terms. So f of x equals -3 times x squared. Where are my like terms here, by the way? The -2x's. So -2x minus 2x is what? -4x, right. Don't put 0, it's not 0. It goes more negative, so it's -4x. And then plus 4. And at the very end, we got the plus 5. Okay, what would our next step be then? Distribute, that's right. So we're going to distribute the -3 to everything inside the parentheses. So now we're going to have f of x equals, we have -3 times x squared. What is that? Then we have -3 times -4x. What's that one? What? Plus 12x, that's right. And then lastly, we got -3 times +4. What is that? -12. And then we cannot forget the plus 5. And so now we're just at our final step. What do we need to do? Combine like terms. What are our like terms here? -12 and 5. So what's my final answer going to be? What's -12 plus 5? -7, that's right. And this is your final answer. F of x equals -3x squared plus 12x minus 7. And we're done.